Hello, today we will be drawing Mirabel from Disney Encanto. Grab your drawing supplies and let's get started. You can start off with some pencil and marker, or today I'll be using the iPad. So to start, we're just going to draw a circle for the head. Make it a little bit of oval shape towards the top of the page, and this is going to be our head shape. And then let's draw a center line down the middle for her eyes, and just make a little cross. Once that's done, we just need to draw the body. I like to draw a line down the middle just so we have a reference point. And then we're going to start on the top, go down, and draw this gumdrop shape almost. And this is going to be her body. And then we just need her two legs. So we're just going to draw lines down. And then a little bit of a shape for the leg, like so. And we're going to continue this on this side. And since this leg is facing towards us, we're just going to add a little shape this way. Once you have these two shapes done, we can move over to the arms. And since we're doing a chibi today, the arms don't have to be too detailed, so we're just going to draw in these very simple arms without any hands. And then we're going to simplify the other arm too, and we're just going to have her put it to the side around this point. Let's double check construction, and I think we're good to go to move forward with the rest of the details. With the construction done, we're just going to actually move the head over a little bit. Just slightly, just to give it a little bit more center. And then let's start with the eyes. Since this is a chibi, we can actually draw in these very simple oval eyes on either side. And then I'm just gonna add a simple nose, just using a triangle, and then a little smile. And then I'm gonna add in some lashes, two circles for the highlights, and I think that completes the face. She does have some nice eyebrows, so let's add those in. It's just gonna be these two lines that go down and wrap, down and wrap. Then I want to draw in her little ears. Let's just do two simple shapes like that, and then we're gonna add two little lines either side. And then she has these nice blue earrings. Draw them a little bigger than real life, just so we can see them. And once that's done, let's draw in her glasses. I want to start in the middle just so I know where the band is. And then let's go all the way to the outside because she has some pretty big glasses. And just take your time drawing the circle. One. Make sure the same size on both sides. Two. And let's finish the glasses with the two lines going to the ears. This one goes a little further in. And now let's work on the hair. She has a strand of hair towards the middle, so I'm just going to simplify it by drawing this triangle and then just add little lines to indicate the curly hair. And then we're gonna draw a line for her forehead, go down, wrap around, and let's draw in the rest of the hair. Starting from the top, we're just gonna go down and just add little waves because we're gonna have, she has very curly hair, so we're just gonna add little waves like so. Continuing the hair by sketching little waves in. Same thing on the other side. Very cute. Little waves. Once you're done with the hair, we can move over to the details of the dress. She has a belt line. Let's start off with that right down the middle, right here. And then we could continue to draw the dress. We're gonna start off with a simple shape for the dress first. It's just gonna be a simple triangle down, We're actually going to erase the inside details so we can see what's below it. And then we're going to just draw in. Let's do 2 lines to split the dress up into thirds. And then 1 line for the detail. On the bottom, she does have a lot of detail, so we could simplify it by just adding maybe 2 or 3 of these little circles with triangles and lines. Let's add the frills right below it. With that done, we can move over to the top. So she has a little butterfly right here on her shoulder, so we're going to draw that in real quick before we move on. And then we're just going to do the little detail on her dress, which are these U shapes. And then her collar, which is the regular U shape right there. And then let's go add these circular details for our dress. And I think we're good to go to do her sleeves. Her sleeves are just going to be a line. Let's just do 2 U shapes like that. I think we're good to go to move on. Her dress has these little flowers. We don't have to draw all of them. Just draw a few, just to indicate the detail. I'm just going to do maybe 3 flowers is enough. And that, I think that's looking good. And then let's do her shoes. Her shoes are going to be very simple. Just do a line on the bottom for the sole. Then we're just going to cap it. And then a simple line for the rest of the shoe. And I think she has maybe, let's add 1 more flower right here on her dress, just for the details. And then I think that's enough detail since she is pretty small and should be. Just clean up your sketch just a little bit so you see what you need to line over, add ink over. As long as you could tell what you're going to ink over, you can move forward. We're going to do that really quick right after. With your sketch done, we're actually going to create a new layer, or if you're drawing in pencil, you're going to use the black marker. So with the new layer, we're going to go to black, and we're going to turn on our inking, which is going to be a really thick black line, similar to a Sharpie, and we're going to use this to ink our drawing. So I'm going to zoom in just so I have more room, and then we're just going to go through the process of using our pen to ink everything. So I'm going to speed this part up real quick. With your line drawing done, we're just going to erase the background. I'm just going to turn it off. And then we're going to use the inking line to color in the final results. Once your design is complete, we're going to turn these into stickers real quick. And there you have it, custom Mirabel stickers from Disney Encanto. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.